Hi guys, I'm Duncan from Auto Shining Tintin, and you join us in front of the Tesla Model 3. So first it's having the rear window tints. The Model 3 is quite unique as it has this large rear window. So horribly, a lot of companies do these in two pieces. We don't, we do all this in one piece straight up to there. Then this vehicle's having the full PPF package. PPF comes in two different options. So you've got the gloss, and then you've also got the satin. So the satin, which is what this customer's having, will change this white to a satin white. So you're gonna see all that coming up. If it wasn't the satin, it would be gloss, and basically you wouldn't see it was fitted, it would look just like it does. We're also doing the wheels satin black. They're gonna be powder coated, changing the badges to black. And then they'll have the normal gloss PPF on the lights and everything like that to protect them. So there's a lot to do. We're gonna get cracked on.
Real life be living out my dreams. If I'm waking up, it's in a foreign land. Whole wrist covered up in ice. Dealership never asked the price. I hit the molly ball with my dogs. Y'all swipe.
So, we get a little bit wet, Nath. But it's okay. As far as windows go, I think it's one of the biggest windows that you get on a car.
And I'm grinding, money on my mind, and I'm headed to the top. I won't stop until I find it. Write my name.
There we go, all in one piece.
All in one piece, all done. And it looks beautiful, mate.
Yes, all the paint that gets done. So for this, obviously it's white, so all the white will be satin. I'm just prepping all the panels now.
So the Tesla Model 3 transformation is all complete. I'm just going to walk you around what we've done, although you've seen it. We've got full satin PPF on the entire vehicle, powder coated the wheels satin black, we've fit the black badges, we've tinted the windows all the way around, but I think that is how I expect a Tesla. The satin white just makes it look that extra bit special, and you still see the sort of the pearl metallic coming through the satin, which is a really nice effect. Customer's coming in about half an hour, hopefully he will be too. So that Tesla's all done, now on to the next.
Write my name in diamonds, but all these lights are blinding. I wonder is it.
Hey, so what's happening to this Tesla today?
We are de-chroming this Model 3. So I believe now Tesla offer it as an option to have satin black chrome from factory. Previously it wasn't offered, so we was doing a hell of a lot of them. Yeah, he was going for satin black. He wants it to look factory, and obviously satin will contrast nice with the gloss black paint, tie in with the wheels.
Quite full of Teslas at the minute, we've got one there as well.
Yeah, we're twinning today, we're twinning. This one's in for extended front PPF.
We'll get to that one later, but for now,
Let's crack on with this one. So we've got this side done already, and I didn't even realise we've got the other Tesla sitting there, and it has got the factory satin black on there. So we're just going to do a run through, compare ours to what theirs are. So as you can see here, all this done in one piece with the Tesla logo has been embossed on there. On the mirror, it's completely covered. Turn it round. So when the door's closed, you lock it up, the mirrors fold in, you still can't see any chrome. Complete strip across the top and on the door edges, including the door handles. On this one, obviously we cover everything, so you would never tell. Yeah, obviously we wanted it stock, we wanted it to look OEM, and that's what he's got.
yeah, looks good. On to the other side.
That's it, we'll get it done.
So final Tesla of the video, and this one is in for our most standard PPF package. We call it the extended front. Now this particular car, it's not brand new, but it's only 6 months old, so it's definitely not an old car. Gentleman who owns it has noticed it's picking up some stone chips, and that is an understatement. Unfortunately, he's shocked of how many stone chips it's picked up already. We certainly haven't seen so many stone chips on a car with so little mileage. It's done under 10,000 miles. So I hope we're going to be able to pick these up on camera, but all these stone chips, there are literally over 100 stone chips on this bonnet. They go all the way up. The reason for this, the Tesla paint is renowned for being thin, and that is not an understatement. This is what happens. And I'm not trying to dramatise it, we don't need to do that. We've got lots of cars booked in. We're just saying that this is what happens when you don't have PPF. So we've got a lot of work to do on this. So stay tuned and we'll show you as much as we can.
See I'm watching and I try to do better, but you 1 in a million, you ain't average. Girl, I promise I'ma have you living lavish. Take a trip, girl.
So, Tesla. We showed you earlier there's a lot of stone chips. We've done quite a bit of prep on this bonnet, but there was no way it was ever going to be perfect. It is a lot better, but there are literally lots and lots of chips, and it's just not possible to touch them all in. There's literally too many of them. We've come up with another solution. So the Tesla black paint is a non-metallic paint, so it's just a flat black. And by chance, we've got a new product in that is a black PPF. So we can lay this PPF on a white car and it's going to turn it into black. And by chance, we think it's a very, very close colour because it's a non-metallic black, the PPF we've got. So we're going to lay this solid black PPF on the bonnet and we hope it's going to look perfect. So let's see how it goes.
I'll go anywhere.
Don't know how, but my genius plan has worked. Honestly, if you've got like a black any other car and it's got stone chips and you want me to get rid of them, I can't do PPF. You just look that this matches that because I can't change that. I've only got one gloss black PPF. It looks like glass. There's not a single stone chip on this car now, so yes, I'm mega impressed.
Honestly, I love the way you carry it. It was an easy decision, I had to marry.
So we are all done. I am blown away by how good the bonnets come out. Like I say, this black PPF is a new thing for us. I'd like to take all the credit, but it's just by luck that this is a perfect match. Expel Ultimate Plus on all those areas. We've also put our gloss black PPF on the top of the tailgate because there was a lot of scratches on here and now it looks brand new. Always have lots of Teslas in. We know them off by heart. Nice to have finally done a video. I said to Nate, so where's our Tesla video? Well, don't bother videoing them anymore. We have so many in. So we've actually put the effort in there, haven't we? We've finally got a Tesla video. So hope you like it. Please like, subscribe and comment down below if you like the video, and that means you can come watch our other videos. And we would really appreciate that. Thanks for watching. See you next time.